Instagram is an ideal platform for affiliate marketing. Its users shop on platform weekly. In addition, Instagram's content format, images, videos, and live streams helps purchasing by users on platform. In this video, you will learn how to set yourself up for success in 4 easy steps. In order to start affiliate marketing on Instagram, you need to create an account. You can do that with an email or phone number. When your account is created, you need to switch to a creator account. To do that, open your Instagram account. Select Settings, go to Account, tap Switch to a professional account, and choose Creator. Choose the category that best describes your affiliate niche. Enter your contact information. Once your account is set up, choose the affiliate program congruent with your niche. Value-packed and high-quality content gets to the right audience on Instagram. It doesn't take thousands of followers to make a decent income on Instagram. A few hundred people who know, like, and trust your content are enough. To get these loyal followers, post when your audience is active on platform and at optimal posting times. Be consistent by sharing new content on the platform regularly. This way, your audience has more opportunity to engage with your content. Post mostly non-promotional content, with ideally only 5% of the posts being affiliate posts. This makes your content more credible. If you want to generate passive income on Instagram, you need to continuously get new followers. New followers reduce the risk of users being bored of seeing the same type of content. When used appropriately and artfully, hashtags help you expand your audience. Your hashtags allow your content to appear in the feed of Instagram users even if they don't follow you, only by following hashtags that you use. To find hashtags ideas, look at the posts of accounts in your niche. More specifically, look at the captions and first comments of their posts. You could also use online Instagram hashtags generators, but double check that your hashtags are not prohibited by Instagram. Use the analytics that your creator account grants you to analyze your success as an affiliate marketer on the platform. Metrics that you should look at are users' awareness of your brand, how many people click the link in your bio, users' engagement with your content, most and least purchased products, conversion rates for promoted affiliate products.